Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have Face ID and Photos privileges. Now begin. Open Photos, select the image you want hidden, then tap the share icon and choose Hide. This moves items into the hidden album. Next, go to Settings, scroll to Photos, and enable the Hidden Album toggle, then require Face ID for access if the option appears. Once done, you'll prevent casual browsing. Face ID ties the album to biometric unlock, making retrieval fast and secure when you need it. Now tighten access. If your device supports locking the hidden album directly, enable Face ID for that function in Settings. Otherwise, lock photos inside a locked note using Notes with Face ID enabled, then delete originals. You can also add a third-party Vault app that supports Face ID for a stronger layer. Make sure to test by signing out or using a different face to verify the album stays inaccessible. This confirms the biometric gate, and finish by reviewing the hidden album and removing duplicates from other albums so only the hidden copies remain. Test unlocking with Face ID several times, then try an alternate face or restart the phone to ensure the lock holds. If Face ID stops working for the album, reset Face ID in Settings and rescan your face. Also check the True Depth camera for obstructions. If problems persist, toggle the hidden album setting off and on, then re-hide items to re-establish the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.